Welcome to my channel, guys. This is Noel Stitches. In today's video, we're going to be learning how to make this beautiful bridal veil. So let's just get right into it. So for this veil, I'm going to be making use of 3 yards of veil net. The length is usually by 120, so it's actually very long. See how long the length is? That's double length. It's usually by 120. So for this, you can make use of as much as 3 yards, 4 yards, 5 yards. People use 10 yards, 15 yards. It depends on how long you want it to be. The more the yards, the longer the length of the veil is going to be. So for this, as I said, I'm making use of 3 yards. So to start, it's quite easy. What we're going to do is we're going to be folding it into two by the yardage. Do you get? So we're going to fold it into two like this. You fold it like this. So we're going to be folding it into four. So you might want to get somebody to help you fold it. Just make sure what you're folding. So I'm going to be folding it into four this way. Do you get? So I'm going to spread it on the floor so that we can cut it. So this is it. I have placed it on the floor already. That is why I said you might need somebody to help you. Off camera, I got someone to help me. So we both placed it on the floor because we have to make sure it is equal. So now after placing it on the edge, on the rough edge there, just make sure everything is equal. You have, if you want to trim for it to give it a perfect square, do that. So I'm just going to be measuring 25 on that edge, which I have marked. Upward, I'm going to mark 25. So I'm just going to mark that properly and make sure it's showing. So you're going to bring your tape to this edge and mark 10 inches. So we have 25 on the other side and 10 inches. So I'm just going to use my chalk to connect from that 25 inches down to this line all the way to the other side to make a curve, because we can't just leave it this way. So on this other side, you're also going to mark, it's either you mark 25 or 21. Anyone could work, just something that will give you that line. And it is not even compulsory for you to even mark the measurement on on the other side. Just make sure it gives you that shape, like an oval shape or curved shape that you're looking for. So I'm just going to use my chalk, as I said, to just connect the lines together and give it that shape. Just to add, the measurement is not a standard measurement. It totally depends on how much curve you want your veil net to have, how curvy you want it to be. So there's no, if you want to reduce or increase, it is totally fine. Just make sure the curve, the shape comes out nice. So I have connected it, and as you can see, I am cutting. So when you are cutting, make sure you're using a very sharp scissors so that your cutting does not look rough. It's not looking rough. It has to be straight, just one cutting, since you're not going to be folding the edge. I'm just going to cut it this way to give it that line. If you have any excess, if you have anything you need to trim off, please do well to trim it off. So after cutting, what I'm just doing here is to just trim it off, just for the curve to just match and align properly. After cutting, I placed it on a mannequin to get a visual look of how it's going to be. And I also placed a safety pin to just mark the midpoint. So now we're going to start beading. For beading, I'm using this mini pearl setting machine. You can get it around your tailor shop or anywhere. It's quite affordable. So I got it, and I also got the pearl and also the pin. So this is what we're going to be using. I'm going to be using it to illustrate how I placed my beads, my pearl on it. So you're going to take your machine and then pick your pearl bead. You're going to take it this way and place it inside this part where I placed the bead this way. And then you're going to take your pin. You're just going to take one pin. I hope you can see it. And then you put it inside the hole down. And then you just put your fabric, your the veil in between it and place it where you want to place it. And then you just press it. You use that red handle and just press it. And that's it. You have to be careful while removing the bead, because you know the veil is kind of light. So you just remove it, and here we go. Just very simple and straight to the point. This is it, guys. My camera did not do justice to this veil, but it looks really great on my bride. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. See you on the next one.